Shalom, shalom. Aquí I'm the brother Malawan from GMS Suriname. I'm coming back with you with another quick lesson. Before I start with this lesson, I want to give all praises and honors to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bashem, Rakakuda Shalamat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Man, that the word of their double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom. As you can see by the article, something has happened there in Thailand. Yes, in Thailand. You know, some they will say it's an accident, but we all know that this is the Lord's doing, man. This is the Lord's doing, you know, making the people remember that we are in a time of prophecy, not a time for feasting and having a good time. You are nearing the end, the time of destruction, you know, and people are trying to have a good time, not that it's evil to be like that or to have a good time, but it is better, as the scriptures say, it is better to be in the house of mourning, than in the house of mirth. But we'll get that soon, you know. But I'm also joking to the Suriname language, and my people here may understand me, and I'm gonna read this article. So shalom, shalom, baragas, sabi na brother Malawan, Fujima, Suriname, Isabito. Like fai siya article ya. Isabito wa san fenda plats drape in Thailand. Isabito one fatal ikatakuan destruction dape in Bangkok, Thailand. Isabito pwede people na be verwachting. Isabito smako de verdwaal destruction gewoon. Isabito within 1 hour direct preciso. Isabito kuya siya fear in the people de ay. Isabito makuli sa article from the main page of RT News. Dozens killed in Bangkok bar blaze. Graphic videos. Smoke blocked of all visibility, trapping disoriented customers in the restrooms, Thai police have said. A deadly blaze swept through a bar in Bangkok, Thailand, late on Sunday, leaving at least 28 people dead and dozens more critically injured, the authorities have reported. According to eyewitnesses accounts, the fire originated near the bar's music stage and quickly spread, with many customers getting lost in the smoke and becoming trapped in the bedrooms in the ensuing panic. At least 71 people were injured, with 25 remaining in critical condition. The Bangkok Metropolitan The Bangkok Metropolitan Administration reported on Monday. When the power went out, for instance, at the restroom entrance, visibility dropped to zero. Everyone tried to exit, but the restrooms had no windows. It was a dead end, Thai National Police Chief Kitharan Punpech said in a press briefing on Monday. There's afaya star drape papoke play, isabito, and a he tempo afaya parati. Isabito, kordar na strom gue, wanili kata afaya big bro alasot san. Isabito, always mari kata tewa o sa ebrong na hon alafaya de hon like next nopsa. Isabito of mga hotel ebrong, nei, isabito, mile kwa masa din elektromikategi. Tewa oso ebrong, afaya na bro de kabel fu a osa ni afaya kiri, fa oso, fra live na nit, ana bro de kabel. Nakun ambigi bro nga to aparat. Isabito bro nga to aparat wa TV before of a computer. Isabito of wa lampus refi. Isabito en asan na course ito sila nga asan na course ito abriga da jompo aher oso date ko dungo direct. Direct aher oso date ko dungo. Isabito. Er osa and that na akafal fu disi. If no lugbukan de poco equipment take fire. Isabito course lo ito naki. The sun take fire and fa course lo do naki breaker jompo ahe presi ko dungru direct. And that na let like one dead trap. Isabito one if a presi dungru and a brong isabito the misas mari ka fanagtiwa o sa ebrong na afaya ay kiri day. Amor ka farlag santiwa o sa ebrong na asmo ko. Isabito asmo ko rati turo ko. Isabito ay tap you ay fu no mashipego guardor ay nilag yo dede. And e buruya you blow. Isabita e buruya you blow hila mal. For sa fire ko kisi refi asmo ko inoki out. Want je kan niet continu rook en ademen. Je hersenen knock je out gewoon. Isabito. En dan sa te kiris ma da je bro rustig gewoon krokant. Isabito. En dan sa dat kirdes ma. Ino be machinex want fire be kiri. Isabito. En smoko be tapap sani a apresi tu. Waardoor Yusuf no mashi wis yung piri ay yun no mashi. Gides masa brondo ti sabi. Te smoko gui ni ay direct alay ay ready. Abi ping ay omelisi. En daarna even no mo a smoko wainaki. Isabi to. En des mais be knap ina smoko gewoon e hara smoko e blo e pirde ay ina smoko alay ay bro ina wan do next. En na dat make walos makode de en dis no we judgment ya. No we judgment ya. Fudes ma baka gewoon isabi to ye bari ye bro ino as mano ma yepi. Isabi to en na werkelijk a fire be bi ano wa low fire. Isabi to makulu ko de video kulu ka extra one. Fair use, fair use, fair use. I'm not making any money off of this, fair use, fair use, fair use. Kuya, luku drape, luku drape, luku fafaya e plus. Fire officer, luku asan drape, fire survive this. This is not destruction. This is not judgment for Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Shai. Isabito. Kuluku ete wanja. Fair use, fair use, fair use, fair use. Kuya. Ete wanja, fair use, fair use, fair use. This is not insane. Kuya. Veshito. Fade koso koso. Hoyera sari ina froste. Made long one chi fire the people along ba. Veshito. Low fire the people along ba the no sa psycho. A destruction psycho. Ma di sa sorry. Amora herender the people fata ko de in one thing for war. De in one thing for ganit for feast for di sa nga dati sabito. Na in one thing for destruction de isabito. It's the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 2. It is better to go to the house of the mourning than to go to the house of the feasting. For that is the end of all men, and the living will lay it to his heart. Kulo ko sa mourning e batikan. It is better to go to the house of the mourning. Kulo ko sa mourning e batikan. Mourning. Mourning is the outward expression of grief and sorrow, most commonly following the death of a loved one. This mourning na or si sari. Amoro betre fugo fugo na des masa e sari na fu des masa e fiste erdi. Isabito. Amoro betre fu de in one mind state fu sari. Kom taken so moro betre fu de in one mind state na one mindset fu sari. Na one mindset fu feeste gaan dit party. Isabito. Amoro betre fu de in one mindset fu sari. Omdat na in sari ting wego. En het beste dat je kan doen is jezelf voorbereiden voor de sari ting. In sa wego. Isabito. Ano feeste in feeste dat te warbari da ibruya wan ino sab sa indo na so party isabi na ala de always sabi go ma ino sab next fu war fu famine fu destruction isabi to Bolis Gomorrah Farah verse 3 sorrow is better than laughter for by sadness is the countenance of the heart made better isabi to sari mu moro laf lafu inatendisi isabi to amoro abu moro laf lafu sabi to complete na NLT. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 2 in the NLT. Better to spend your time at funerals than at parties. After all, everyone dies. Yes, ito. This na lala ay tegi ko. Sorrow is better than laughter. For sadness has a refining influence on us. Yes, ito. Sari mo mora laf-lafu. Wante sari, heb je een les geleerd. Isabi to ilero wan san te sari. Maar te laf laf win le next na goe enjoy. Maar te sari to ilero wan san. Je wordt gewoon wijzer van. Isabi to. Verse 4. A wise person thinks a lot about that, while the fool thinks only about having a good time. This na lala. Ay, sorry gewoon. Ay, sorry lala gewoon. Sabi to. Amoro mo fu bigi denki fa a destruction o kong o me fast mode de di sanga dati. Fa Yusuf ka de wap des marati if you no look boom. Dan fu denki pe a volgende visa e hori. Sana a volgende sani a feast de ya. Pe of en vrij fugo party. Sabi to. Amoro betrep denki a destruction sa e kong. Prepare your mind ki a destruction sa e kong. Sabi to. Molis disi. It's the book of Amos chapter 8 verse 10. And I will turn your feast into mourning, and all your songs into lamentation. I will bring up the sackcloth upon all loins, and baldness upon every head. And I will make it as the mourning of an only son, at the end thereof as a bitter day. And that is sa drape in Bangkok. Or she the end of a bitter day. Alas mabesari. One des magon go in one boost fair for go have a good time, enjoy is a bit of madi degwe alas mabesari. Alas ma. No once ma be go nang wabu mindset, be go nang wawa. Beg moto drape nang wabu mindset of one boost fair. Alas mabesari. Alas ma. Isabito, alas mal besari. Sos ma las once ma serefi. Isabito, sos ma las once ma. Lasisma. Isabito. Trauma dat kisman keri, trauma dat de fet gide liben ato so no no de. They're in critical condition. Isabito. Next no wakabu adi that. And that this is sorry once gain for the thing in Zawego. Isabito. This is sorry once gain. In one is 27 smaka de honi wan bar. Wan president mo 27 sma. Tolo ko en president. Wan president 27 smaka de honi. Alo san. Wan fire break uit. Isabito. Lastante de bombo bigi fadong. Bastante hongersnood kon wereldwijd. Sa vastmoten de boy. Gewoon yo mitangas mato. Sa maanden lang des mano lafo. Trawanda na omen wiki lang nga de mano lafo de mano smile. Next nego ki desma. Sabi ito, aladi na watrasot sari. Aladi na watrasot spa ede. Sabi ito, kung people bigi forget for them, lafo for them have a good time. Na inattend that we go. Sabi ito, dus het is beter voor focus in focus is dapat destruction sa eko. De sari ting in sa wego. Dan fu suku de nieuwste fesa sa oopo. Isabi ito. De party sa ori. Tramai focus tourbus die sa garantie. Asa normal. Het gaat hier blijven. Het gaat niets voor je doen. Wees vanaf die de telek destruction komt in je feest. Je want do alles aan. Oh, I know do next you. You have a good time until you don't. Isabito. Dat op sa. Or if you begin focus and you begin prepare your mind, it turn back to the Lord. Isabito. You may just have a shot, man. You may just have a shot at salvation. Isabito, like fast skrif, he that endureth until the end, the same shall be saved. Betin bet hori teleka einde. En in een bed hoor je dus door voor have a good time ala die van wiki. Je mag af en toe, isabito, af en toe, isabito, maar ano ala die van wiki. Isabito, af en toe, je mag op een good time. Want after all, idi na flesh ite, isabito. Di na spiritual body ite. Idi na flesh, ya before a balance. And there's yo low, mino kori, no kas do herdi. So, tisrep iwan kamar na hora buku da elisa buku honi, yo low. Isabito. Abi balance. But this episode na nga the people sa no want balance it. They want enjoy life whole. Want sobong YOLO, you only live once. This episode, no de look good na. Look comment people didn't know. Comment people sabi ko na nga dengi mana ay do apang mundeng tamara do guaro ko na fertile ko li ha abra sa de bedo di sa kana tifa bede. No na, de fet gide libin atoso. Ni mata tat farwah maya. Amor yun what is people approval for doing sa HR destruction ko ho isabi to. Kung tikit yung last subscription. Tikit yung last. Tikit yung last one. Kung listen na NLT. It's the book of Amos, chapter 3, verse 6. When the ram's horn blows a warning, shouldn't the people be alarmed? Fosi inate abede so fantak, dat be de alarm, isabito. Tene blast na horn, isabito, le ko alarm, that the people is na, destruction eko, isabito. Please go more far. Does disaster come to a city unless the Lord has planned it? Yes, ito. The destruction ni kung apres na mori ang sitsan. The falik pa destruction ko dirape in a city fu Bangkok in Thailand. Amoro yung senego. Muli sa baka na King James Version. Amos chapter 3 verse 6. Shall a trumpet be blown in a city and the people not be afraid? Shall there be evil in a city and the Lord had not done it? Yes, ito. Evil ko ina photography. And namoro yung doing. Isa pita na. Inge char destruction ko. Ense na evil ko. Amore edo boom na nga ukit. Isa pito. Ense na destruction ko. What are you rubedor of send destruction ko derape? Isa pito. Maya, no pala sa disadify uno mi abo uno ko loof up na karat mo ki ala praise na grande baka na mo sa karkado. Awera kala kanya fu kado na Yahweh, na awera kala kanya fu aboy fu kado na Yahweh Shai. I want to give all praise and honors to Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai Bashem, Rakakudash Ramat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Men that are worthy of double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom.